It was really good, people. Welcome back. Axtuo is back at me. How you doing? How you been? I had this 2013 Honda Odyssey. This is the 4th generation. But if you have a car between 2011 and 2013, this video is for you, okay? So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery in this baby. I wanna give shout outs to everybody that support the channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Subscribers, viewers, what you waiting for? Subscribe now, get your membership too, since you're down there. Don't forget to show your appreciation as a return of kindness by hitting the heart down there, down here. That's the super thanks button. Click on it, go through it, show your love, do your thing. I would appreciate it a lot. Anything you want to say about this car, put in the comment box. Anything, any feedback, put in the comment box. Let's get it, come on. Donald Trump with pirates. That's how they call me. Let's go, let's get it. Over here. You want to open the hood? Come over here. Pull this just like that. All right, that's how you open the hood. Now the latch is gonna be right here. Just push it to the side like that. Pop, lift the hood. You're gonna find right here the kickstand, which is this, and that's where you're gonna put it. You can put it there, or you can put it. Yeah, you can put it there. That's fine. To hold the hood up. Now the battery is gonna be on the right side of your bay, engine bay. Okay. Right here. In these holes, you're gonna find these clips. You're gonna remove it with this. Okay? You're gonna try to lift these things, this head holes with this. Okay? Now once you remove those clips, you remove this. This is the air intake. Now pow in your face. Here's the battery. Now I test this battery and it only has 5% left of life. Okay. Now we're gonna remove this battery. Okay. And I believe this one is from the dealership. You see Honda, all that. Alright, you could use this, a ratchet like this, okay? But since I'm kinda lazy, I'm gonna use electric wrench, impact wrench, whatever you wanna call it. This is 3/8. Alright. Now don't now just a little bit though. This one too, 10mm. Right. This is like a hook. Okay, very good. They're hooks. Okay, now this. It's gonna be 10mm. 10mm this one. Alright. I'm gonna fry that now. Like so. There you go. Okay, let's put it over there. This one, same. Make sure you remove all that mold. Okay. Now, I'm gonna remove the battery. Grab it. This is very useful. When the battery doesn't have the handle, you can use this. That's what we're gonna do. Alright. Now, this is what I'm using. This is interstate batteries, MT24F, MT24F, CCA 600. Okay, there you go. Right here, just remove this. Like that. We put the positive first. It really doesn't matter which one goes first. This one. Tap it. Now we tied it. 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Put the bracket. All right. That should be it. That's how you replace the battery in this baby. Okay. Some brake cleaner for that mold. Gucci. If you are one of those, you can put the date. You can mark it here in these numbers. Okay. You can mark the month and the month. I mean the month and the date or the year. I'm just gonna write it down. 8/23. Okay, now we're Gucci. Now after that, we're gonna put this back, just like that. Put the clips back. That. Voila. You're done. Now we're gonna come here to the driver's side. We're gonna start the car. Where's the keys? Yeah. Ready? 1, set, go. Boom. Before I replace the battery, I check the alternator. The alternator is good. It's performing as designed. And then I check the battery. The battery, like I said in the beginning, it only have 5% life left. And that's why I'm replacing the battery. Okay. So if you have any questions, don't forget to put it in the comment box. Okay. You want me to share? You want me to reach more people? Share this video. And the other way you can support the channel is by clicking on the super tense button. It looks like a heart. Okay, go through it, click on it, go through it. You see what's up. Do your thing. And I'll leave it right here. Thank you for watching. You know where to find me. It's me, Axtuo. Time to clock out. Bye bye.